oral suspension filling machine and Ropp capping machine. The oral liquid filling machine and Ropp capping machine, manufactured by Shiv Shakti Machtech in Ahmedabad, provide a comprehensive packaging solution for liquid products in the pharmaceutical, food, and beverage industries. This system includes a servo gear pump filling machine, which ensures precise and controlled filling of oral liquids using advanced servo technology, ideal for handling different viscosities and liquid types. Paired with a single head Ropp, roll-on pilfer-proof, capping machine, the system offers secure and tamper-proof sealing for bottles, ensuring product safety and quality. Designed for ease of operation and high efficiency, this combination is perfect for medium to large-scale production, delivering both precision and reliability while complying with industry standards.